Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Fishing Southern Maryland. I'm your host David. It's about 8:15, maybe 8:30, Thursday, June 20th. I'm on Lake Lariat in Southern Calvert County on the kayak. I've only got one rod. I brought my fixed line pole today just to see if I could try to do something. I'm going to see how many different species I can catch with just that one rod. I just figured I'd give it a try today just for something different. Let's see how I do. There's my setup for today. I got one of those Berkeley leeches tied to a number 8 octopus hook underneath of a small piece of split shot, tied to my fly line, which goes all the way to the end, of course, of my fixed line pole. The thing about fishing with fixed line is it's close quarters. I can't cast it out 20 or 30 yards and reel it back to me. I got to get kind of close to where the fish are. There's fish number one. What have we got? Looks like we've got a bluegill. So species number one's a bluegill on the fixed line. There's a fish. There's another. What we got? Another bluegill. A little bigger one. That's something bigger. Oh yeah, that's something much bigger. What have we got here? We got a catfish. Yes, sir. Catfish on the fixed line. He's small, but he's a catfish. Yes, sir. Little 11-inch catfish. And he's gone. Yeah. I think we got another bluegill. Yep. A little nicer one, but still a bluegill. What have we got here? We got another bluegill. I sound disappointed to catch fish, but I am looking for another species. Here we go, something a little bigger. Oh, we got a red ear. We might have a red ear or a big bluegill, one or the other, can't tell. Oh, we got a red ear. Species number 3. Species number 3, there we go. Little red ear sunfish. Found another. Ugh. We'll take that home. Dispose of it properly. That was a bite. That's a nicer bite. Just another bluegill though. I have no idea how many I've caught of those. Okay, so it's about 10:15, which means I spent 2 hours on the water. 2 hours, we'll talk about that in just a minute. But let's start with the fact that I did catch 3 species. I say that was productive, all on the fixed line. Several bluegill, one catfish, one red ear, sunfish, or shellcracker, whatever you want to call it. So that was fun. That was fun. Would have liked to have gotten a bass or a crappie to make it 4 species, but for right now, 3 species on the fixed line. I'm enthusiastic about that. I picked up a little litter. You saw that I picked up a Gatorade bottle, and I got that tire as well. I'll take those and dispose of them properly. So I read an article this week about a study that was done in England. The study was done on people who spend at minimum 90 minutes to 2 hours out in the environment or outdoors a week, and that they feel healthier after the fact. 2-hour kayaking fishing trip, I'd say it's pretty good. Thanks for watching, and until next time, tight lines.